It's video.
All right, just will it hold for a long time if he just holds it? Try not to get him on the spot. That's a boat.
This is really bad. We got a cat. We got a Korea.
Surface, Aiden. Get in the sea, Aiden.
Yeah, Aiden, that's probably the safest thing to do is up here.
Yeah, I don't want you to bite your feet off. Like, it's getting tired. So are we.
I have
No kidding.
Alright, Aiden, you got it?
I got the GoPro.
It's just going to be aggressive when it gets in here. Olivia, look, do not run back that way and get a hook in your foot. Brian, your job is to jump on top of here.
I'm gonna go like this.
You know, he can still jump out of the boat, too.
We need to evacuate.
Don't get a knife ready. He's stabbing. You know what?
Where are they? In your bucket?
Yeah, somewhere.
Oh, I have blood all over in here.
It's going to be a lot of blood. Is there anything y'all don't want bloody?
Oh my god. My sponge!
Aiden, film this.
It's filming.
Aiden, you're not filming the fish.
Oh.
Well, it's not surface.
What are we going to do with that big thing?
Dad said he wanted to fish for dinner.
Yes,
This for a week. How are you going to... Olivia, it's hard to do.
Oh, Mom, I got it.
Ooh, look at that thing.
Don't do the boat. You don't give me chances.
Me?
Yes, you.
Okay. You got it, Brian?
Oh, gosh. He's going to be warm right now.
I know. You want to sleep good tonight?
Mom, at least you can get your nap.
Do not break, do not break, do not break.
Tiger, little fish.
He's a tiger fish.
I'm still trying to get the heel. Give up on the heel, honey.
No.
Break the line. Please don't break the line.
He's doing the best he can. Are you bleeding?
Now we have
Hey,
lunch
watch that hook.
and dinner. And lunch and dinner. And lunch.
Oh, watch it. Mom, don't touch the string. Do not touch the
The
string.
string is very...
Thick. I can hold that one.
Mom, gaff it. I'm scared.
I can't. That's what I'm saying. I don't know how to do it.
Oh
Doesn't matter.
my gosh.
All right, hold on. One thing is I gotta put this right on.
Mom, do not touch the string.
God, you got me tied up at the end.
No, I don't. You're right here by me. On the
No,
back.
the end of the string. You had it when you touched it.
Just, Mom, back up. It's gonna bite you.
We'll bite you, Mom. I do not want.
Gotta put high or not.
Mom, you're scaring me. Please stand up.
We should have watched the video on this.
YouTube would have helped right now.
Yeah.
Mom, just watch him.
I just want Ryan to get it.
You're fine. Back up, though. For real.
I am not backing up. I've got to get down low. Stab it.
I got it.
Wow!
Hang on to it. Hang on to it. Hang on to it.
Got the calf!
Hang on to it.
The net! Wow, that's good.
Other way.
Here, let me see
The
that.
thing's.
Get off. Not on the gas right
Yeah, he is. That thing's in his stomach.
Everybody evacuate. Oh.
Pull him in. Pull him in.
Oh yeah! Oh!
Stop! Get a knife! Get a knife!
Get a knife! Get a knife! Get the knife, Olivia!
Right.
Get the fish! Come on!
Alright, that's good.
God, he's on one. That is one big croaker.
Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That is one.
I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.